Hey everyone, today we're answering a burning question. Is Visual Studio Code free? Let's dive in. Visual Studio Code, or VS Code, is a super popular code editor from Microsoft. And the short answer, yes, it's completely free. You can download VS Code for Windows, Mac OS, or Linux directly from code.visualstudio.com. No cost, no subscription, no catch. It's open source under the MIT license, so you can use it for personal or commercial projects. For free, you get awesome features like syntax highlighting, debugging, Git integration, and a huge library of extensions to customize your workflow. Want to add Python support, themes, or even Docker tools? The extension marketplace has thousands of free options. Now, don't confuse VS Code with Visual Studio, Microsoft's full IDE, which has paid versions. VS Code is lightweight and free for everyone. One thing to note, while VS Code is free, some extensions might have their own licenses or costs, so check those details. Also, if you're using cloud services like Codespaces, these might have fees, but the editor itself, totally free. So, there you have it. Visual Studio Code is free, powerful, and ready for your next coding project. Download it today and start coding. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and let us know what else you want to learn. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.